Devil Mahagus Fat arrived. I mean, Gaulish Ig Dere Mina Sauna. We're heading towards the end of November, and Egg She Yermadi Hulivan will be coming up to Sachna Misa showing the start of next month. Akan Dautum Liana Besession Glare, Kusulika Hanadele, Digitoch Erline. And clár beogain an ishin an Caron Cuyulada, the Nullig. Ach anocht, Tammy de Kainter. Hardis, really, friendship. Agus Cardiviging le Ceoil Ceoil Cuire agus dinne mór cosna be Pedro Lachlan. Now, Shahan CD Dernach this is the last CD that Pedro Lachlan made. And Pedro was all about music. So he played all kinds. He played the fiddle and the flute and the pipes. And there's a picture even in this in the middle of it where he's sitting with the whole gang of maybe 30 other musicians from Clare, and he's playing the front row, playing the banjo. So there he is over there. So Shne Tarain PC the Pedro Lachlan so Cuire os na Cugadi, Cuire os na Shaskadi, na Shachtadi. There are recordings of Pedro here from the 50s on. Some of them with his friends like Willie Clancy. And himself playing the flute and the fiddle and the pipes, of course, which is a lot of people today wouldn't remember him playing the pipes. So, Shun Rodavine, Rodella Hagging and Suna, Danella Gross Fennigan, and Padder used to ring me regularly after the programme and be giving out about certain musicians and saying, why did I play this and why didn't I do that and how good another one was then. And I kind of missed that kind of reaction to programmes as they went out on Fridays. But anyway, Benach Dalish and Pedro Lachlan. Dinella Gross Hannah Hardu Lishabe, Paddy O'Brien. Paddy O'Brien, the Mishag Americas, na Shachto di Dienach, Ochto di Lo. He went to America in the late end of the 70s. I spent a wonderful night with him above, drinking whiskey and smoking fags. Tonight, I'd say before he went, it was in the hotel across from Amen Street train station. I don't remember much about it, to tell the truth, but we used to exchange lots of letters. So the Sailor's Cravat assigned him CD Shaw. The Shaw says, Banda Hagifin. Nod Maler Paddy na Tashanavach and Chun Chuma. Paddy is a great composer also. Agus Tashanavach and Bus Ceoil. Cardalins and Gundot, Noel Hilligus, Chona McMahon. Astoch and Berta Sarah and the whole Shishin. Agus Yinder CD Anava Hosuk Not na Grille, Eden Vahanagus a Holach the Rinkilo. Was Darna Dan Conlug Nook Nagreed. That's a great one, the best recordings ever made. Charlie McMahon and Noel Haley above and Dan Connell's pub in Knocknagree. Pub is gone now. Aidan Vaughan was kind of leading the dancers that were making kippings of the floor, and it was a great night. CD Anna Hemul Shaya. This is a very interesting CD from Gailing. It's the old 78s of the 1958-59 arrangements le Shanarede le Thomas O'Sul Vana Gavranicht. Thomas, these are songs that were sung. Thomas was a sort of a tenor, good singer, but more in the classical mode, which was in the style at that time. And Sean was doing the accompaniments. And there's a couple of orchestral arrangements at the end of the CD with people like Brian Bydell and Emma Gallagher and Shorty Bodley and so on. And there's one of Sean in there, which is on tonight. Sonama. Another old friend, Johnny Varty Larry, who we haven't seen for a year or more now because Nirven actually can't see Rihanna, Nirven the Rachtas Rihanna, Agus Nishni Vegan Eggshe Yomadi. So we miss seeing physically meeting Johnny Varty Larry. He's a wonderful singer, Faron to Chocharna, Xavran against a Clarna. Shabertele Cardul, Dominic McGill Vrido, here Chonel Agus Tashan, so le could live her son le Grigor Lowry, Agus Shano the Hugder Ern Sijina, Gule Vichele, couldn't think of the name of the CD. Tashana Himul, Ta Abran or here Chonel Agus so Alabanon. Agus ta PC Ceoil Gulana Himagumso own to the height Cochoma of Rana Mahan Bertico, Dominic McGill of Reed, Agus Gregor Lowry on their hold. Agus and son did a bookending Aaron Clár Tam Buyan Teda. Ceoil Agus Cuire sound on CD Shaw, agus count na CDs is fear bhí go Stalin Fénig. CD Anna Hannibal fad Lipiad Gailing. This is the CD that's bookending the program, a couple of pieces in the program. The group Tiada, I think one of their best CDs, Ceoil agus Cuire. Agus snéan crotatar an clár nach tá bert umhóragain sa chmórta spáinóir seanóide an critics an clárseach 2020. Na píbuilen tá Tom Delaney agus an crit nún clárseach tá Lena Lyons ó bhío. Bei clár beagain mar derm tusach mí na nolog ag éag sé dhéarmodín a techt an muilen agus gandát srinta covéideach a choilíanagain agus be mi de fógart an cúigur déarnach sa chmórtas an ihe sin. We'll have a live program on the first Friday in December, fulfilling all our COVID restrictions, of course, and we will have we will announce the last 15 in the Comórtas Spáinóir Seanaride. Ach gríon seach se chuine chuoine uisle, tú i ghearadí fénig agus gnéirí lif. Gur maithagah.